Do remember a number of times you have seen the administration asking these farmer unions now to not just vacate the site but also to a lot of them to cooperate in the investigations. What we can now confirm to you is that a second notice has been issued by the crime branch's SIT to Rakesh Tikait and 9 more farmer leaders of the Delhi violence investigation after they failed to join the investigation. Atul is tracking that story and he's joining us live right now. Atul, what more have you heard from your sources within the Delhi police, considering that there has been no compliance to the earlier notices that was issued to them? But what happens now? How much time is allotted to them? And just in case they still do not cooperate, what happens?
Well, they have been given 24 hours to appear before the police and join the investigation. This is the second summon that has been issued by the SIT of the crime branch, and it is against 9 farmers leaders, including Rakesh Tikait. Earlier, when the summons was issued to them, the crime branch was hoping that they will come or they will reply in return to the crime branch, but nothing happened, and this is why they had to, they had to summon them again. And when I spoke to the senior officers, including the top brass officers, they told me that they hope that even this time they are not, from the farmers leaders, they are not coming to join the investigations, and they will have to think about the future course of action, which they might move to court seeking a non-bailable, warrant against them. Because if the second time they are not appearing, there is no other options left. The crime branch has given them 24 hours to reply or to join the investigation. There are 9 farmers leaders, including Rakesh Tikait, and I have spoken to the top brass myself, and they have confirmed to me that in this time, when after 24 hours, if they are not appearing, they might move to court. Yeah.
But Atul, tell me one thing. For the longest time, I think we've heard very briefly from all these Kisan Netas that they will cooperate in the investigations. And why are they running away from it?
Well, the sources are telling me that when they come on record, when they brief media, they say that they will cooperate the police and they are non-violent. But when police try to contact them, they don't pick their calls, they don't reply to their emails. And when the police officers go and meet them, they don't give them time even. So these are the kinds of behavior of the farmers leaders. They are something in front of the camera, and on the backside they are something else. So the police officers are saying that farmers leaders are not cooperating in anything. In fact, the farmers leaders are thinking that if the police is asking them to join the probe, there are possibilities that they might be arrested. While the police are saying that as of now, they have not thought of making arrest of anyone. But the farmers leaders have apprehensions that if they join the protest, there are possibilities they might be arrested. The police have got something, any CCTV footage or footage or something else against them. But the sources are telling them that as of now, they have no intention to make any arrest. They just want to record their statement so that they could plan the future course of action. But whatever the farmers leaders are doing, it is, we can say that non-cooperating method.
Yes. And clearly a lot of double-speak there, Atul. For the moment, I just want to briefly thank you for this bit of important information that you've got to us.